Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost TikTok on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and log into your TikTok. After that, go to your home and see the video that you want to repost. For example, I want to repost this video. All I gotta do is click on the share button right here and share to wherever I want. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, or Reddit. I can also copy this link and repost it to another page. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.